The forthcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra from Samsung isn't being cautious anymore. A recent leak from the One UI 8.5 test firmware claims that the formidable flagship is at last getting 60-watt fast charging. A significant increase above the 45 watts that we have been using since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Samsung promises one of the most potent mobile experiences we've ever seen by combining the speed bump with Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 CPU for the Galaxy, internally codenamed PMK850. In addition to confirming charging enhancements, the leaked software One UI 8.5 shows early development of this customized Snapdragon chip, which is expected to have a clock speed of up to 4.6 GHz and the Adreno 840 GPU. According to reports, this new silicon achieves Antutu scores close to 4 million, which is completely ridiculous in terms of performance. Additionally, it offers Samsung a genuine chance to rule the Android flagship market in 2026. Better yet, the US won't be the only country with this power. Many people who are tired of Exynos will be happy when Samsung releases the Snapdragon option worldwide. Additionally, even while the battery's capacity may remain at about 5,000 mAh, the increased charging speed alone allows you to go from completely charged to almost 50% charged in just 15 minutes. An enormous improvement in electricity users' quality of life. It is evident that Samsung is prepared to make the S26 Ultra more than simply an evolutionary update when you combine it with the S26 Ultra's alleged lighter and slimmer design, a better camera placement, and software improvements in One UI 8.5. To put it succinctly, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is becoming more intelligent, svelte, and capable than before. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.